Hi friends, today I will show you how to give static IP to your Linux machine. I have installed CentOS Linux 7. How to give a static IP in CentOS Linux 7. So I will show you. So right now I have installed a fresh operating system. So let me log in here. So I'm using the password that we have given at the time of installation. So I'm entering my password here. Okay, so let us see here any IP is assigned there or not. So here you are able to see there is no IP address. LO means loop IP, and ENS33 we have a Ethernet card. So how to give a static IP? So I will show you. And here, suppose if you have a requirement, you want to rename your ENS33 to ETH0. How to rename it? I will show you. So let us go. So firstly, you need to go cd/etc sysconfig network hyphen scripts. In this location you need to go there and ls. So here you are able to see ifcfg ens33 you are able to see. So you need to first you can give a ip here. So let me give a ip here. So ifcfg ifcg ens I sorry ifcfg ENS33. So I need to use a VI editor. You need to use a VI editor. So let me do here. So type is Ethernet, and here boot proto is a DSCP. Automatically detect the DSCP IP address if a DSCP server is configured in your organization. Suppose if it's not there, you need to right now our topic is to configure static IP here. So firstly go there and you can use none here. None here. Either you can use static as well also in static. So both have a same meaning. If you are using a static or if you are using a none, both have a same meaning. So I'm using a none here. You can use static instead of none here. So after that, what I need to do, I need to on boot. I need to make a yes. It's a on boot yes means when you started your server, automatically your Ethernet card should be come up. Okay, so device in. So let me configure a new IP address. So here IPADDR, this it is a keywords you need to pass it, and is equal to, suppose I'm giving here this IP address 0.4 for example, and netmask is equal to 172 dots, sorry, netmask is 255.255.255.0. It is a slash CIDR is a slash 24, and you can give a gateway here, gateway here. So gateway is equal to 172.16.0.1, suppose in my case. Okay, so let me save this configuration file. I have saved it. Let us see it is saved or not. Firstly, let us check it. Cat ifcfg ens33. So let us see. So it is saved here. So let me restart the service. So system ctl we are using in archel 7, and restart, we are restarting the network serving, and network either I can use network is also fine. If you are using network dot service, that's also fine. So I'm using here network, so you can restart it. And okay, you can start it. So let us see, it's assigned a IP here, you can check here. So IP a, okay, yeah, either you can check through IP config command, and it will also show you yeah, if this command is here ifconfig. Okay, ifconfig command is not here, so no problem. So you can check through a IPA command here. I need to install different tools for if config, that is a net tools. I need to install rpm-ivh net tools to run a ifconfig command if you want to run this command. Okay, so through IPA you can check it here. So here the IP address has been assigned 172.16.0. Okay, so let us right now let us connect with the connect through a putty. So let us see. we have configured properly or not. Okay, so let me ping first. Let me ping it first. 172.60.0.4. So so now you are able to see we got the reply here. So now we are fine. Let me connect with the PuTTY through PuTTY session. So let me connect through a PuTTY session. So here I'm opening a PuTTY. So here I need to pass 172.16.0.4. Okay, so I need to make it yes here, and I need to log in the root Red Hat at the red one, whatever I have a password I have given here, and here you are able to see a screen. Okay, so this is IP. So suppose now our second step is I need to rename. I want to rename this ENS332 ETS0. How to rename it? Just go same things, sysconfig and network settings. Okay, network hyphen scripts. Okay, so do ls here, and I need to move this as a eth0 eth0. I have moved here. So I need to where we need to replace ets0. I will show you here. You need to go here and delete this uid here. I don't require this uid. And here I name is here ens, so I need to rename ets0. I, I need to rename ets0 only, not required full by ets0 and ets0. Okay, I have renamed it and come out. Okay, so I have renamed it. And second one why we need to do one more thing here, IPA. I need to give a MAC address as well. So how to register a MAC address here? So let us do a same step, vi config, and here I need HWADDER address, and I need to give a MAC address here. Okay, so we have done our jobs here to rename it. We need to make a reboot here. So before a reboot, how to change a host name here in a CentOS, I will show you how to change a host name through a file. How to? So here host name file is there, host name. So here, so you can change here host name also through directly. We can use a command as well. Also we can change directly from this file as well also. For example, I'm giving a test server here. I'm giving a test server here. So let me make it. Okay, so I have did it. So let me reboot the server. I'm pausing this video. Let us see what after that. Reboot. So rebooted completed. So let us log in again. I'm logging here and I'm entering my password here. So now the host name has changed here. Okay, so your host name has been changed. So let us check our IP has. Okay, IP is fine here. Changed IP or here now ATS0. Now you are able to see ATS0. Okay, okay friends. Bye bye. Take care.